How to make beetroot face pack at home. Glowing skin secret. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic natural skincare secret that can give you a radiant glow. We're going to show you how to make a simple and effective beetroot face pack right in your own kitchen. Why beetroot for your skin? So, why all the hype about beetroot for your skin? Well, this vibrant root vegetable is a powerhouse of goodness. It's packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals, helps to detoxify your skin, and can even improve your complexion for a healthy, natural radiance. Benefits of beetroot face pack. Brightens skin tone. Reduces dark spots and blemishes. Hydrates and moisturizes. Gives a natural glow. Using a beetroot face pack regularly can offer some amazing benefits. It can help to brighten your overall skin tone, fade those pesky dark spots and blemishes, provide essential hydration, and leave your skin with a beautiful, natural glow. Who wouldn't want that? What you'll need. Alright, let's gather our ingredients. For this simple beetroot face pack, you'll need 1 small beetroot, which can be raw or cooked. Add a teaspoon of honey for its moisturizing and antibacterial properties, and a teaspoon of yogurt or milk for extra hydration and a soothing effect. You'll also need a bowl and a spoon to mix everything together. First things first, let's prepare our star ingredient. Wash the beetroot thoroughly. If you're using a raw beetroot, you can grate it or cut it into small pieces. If you're using cooked beetroot, make sure it's cooled down. Next, you need to extract the juice from the grated beetroot. You can do this by squeezing it through a clean cloth or a sieve. Alternatively, if you prefer a thicker pack, you can simply mash the cooked beetroot with a fork until it forms a smooth paste. Now, if you're opting to enhance your beetroot face pack, go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of yogurt or milk to your beetroot juice or mashed beetroot. Mix everything well until you get a smooth and even consistency. Once your face pack is ready, it's time for application. Make sure your face and neck are clean and dry. Using your fingers or a clean brush, gently apply the beetroot mixture evenly all over your face and neck, avoiding the area around your eyes. Now comes the best part, relaxation. Leave the face pack on for about 15 to 20 minutes. This will allow your skin to absorb all the wonderful nutrients from the beetroot and other ingredients. After the waiting time is up, rinse off the face pack thoroughly with lukewarm water. You might notice a slight pinkish tint on your skin, but don't worry, it will fade away quickly. Finally, pat your skin dry gently and follow up with your favorite moisturizer to lock in the hydration and keep your skin feeling soft and supple. Tips for best results. Here are a few extra tips to get the best results. Always do a patch test on a small area of your skin before applying the face pack all over. For optimal benefits, use this face pack 1 to 2 times a week. Be a little cautious during application as beetroot can stain clothes. And most importantly, enjoy your naturally glowing skin. Subscribe for more natural skincare. And that's it. A simple and effective way to achieve glowing skin with a homemade beetroot face pack. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more natural skincare recipes and beauty tips, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.